Hello, YouTube.com. I'm Ojama Garrett, and this is my YouTube tips channel. I know I don't have any views or subscribers really on this channel, so I figured I would have the best model ChatGPT has available right now create a video for you. It's a script I have. I had to make a script of the best things to do, so let's just hop right into it. So we have the question, the prompt I gave is, hi, can you make a YouTube tips video coming from someone with 0 views on a channel, no subs, that would make sense to a person to get them to watch, okay? So I thought for 10 seconds, and this title is going to be starting from zero, tips from a new YouTuber. Opening scene. The video starts with a friendly looking person sitting in a simple room. The lighting is decent but not professional, just enough to see them clearly. They smile nervously at the camera. Hi everyone, welcome to my first YouTube video. Yep, you heard that right. 0 views, 0 subscribers, just me and this camera. If you're watching this, thanks for being one of the first to join me on this journey. I know there are tons of videos out there from big YouTubers giving advice on how to grow a channel, but sometimes it's hard to relate when they're already so successful. So I thought, why not share my perspective as someone who's literally starting from scratch? Tip 1, just start. First off, the biggest hurdle is just starting. I've been thinking about creating a YouTube channel for months, maybe even years. I kept waiting for the perfect moment, the right equipment, the right topic, the right everything. But you know what? There's no perfect moment. So here I am taking the plunge, which is what I did. So that's really cool. Be yourself. Authenticity is key. I'm not an expert. I won't pretend to be. I'm here to share my experiences, my thoughts, and my journey. Hopefully some of you will find it relatable or even inspiring, which is really cool because that's what I'm doing. I am not lying to you. So that's why I'm trying to give you something that you would want to watch, which is from ChatGPT. Tip 3, learn as you go. I don't have fancy editing skills or professional gear, but that's okay. I'll learn along the way, and maybe you can learn with me. Every expert was once a beginner, right? Yep, and I agree with that as well. I think that's a really good tip. Tip 4, engage with others. Since I have no subscribers yet, I plan to engage with other small creators and communities. I have not done this, but I should probably do this. Supporting others is a great way to make connections or maybe even friends. Tip 5, stay consistent. I plan to upload new videos every week. Consistency helps build habits and lets viewers know when to expect new content. Yes, I'm trying to go for daily, but weekly would probably be a better goal to start with. First off, conclusion. So that's it for today. If you're starting your own channel or just enjoy watching someone begin their journey, feel free to subscribe and join me. Let's see where this adventure takes us. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So the video is going to fade out with a simple thank you message, reminder to like and subscribe. So there you go. There's my reminder right here. Another reminder right after. It's giving me a call to action, and the ChatGPT says this script is designed to be genuine and relatable, coming from someone who is just starting out on YouTube with 0 views and subscribers. It offers basic yet meaningful tips that can resonate with viewer, encouraging them to support my new channel. So there it is, very simple, quick, and fast. Just trying to hit that daily goal, and this was kind of just I would just want to experiment with this kind of style, see how it does, and I'll catch you later. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.